don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, it's Erick here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. If you haven't yet, go down there and hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching this video in advance. Y'all, I've been so excited. I've had this idea in my head for a while, and I haven't seen it on YouTube at all. Also, my necklace is not on, it broke yesterday. But I am going to be doing my hair care routine today, and I want you guys to critique my hair routine. So all you hair junkies, your hair beauties, I got 4C hair. I'm about to wash it. It's under here because it's dirty, okay? It looks a mess right now. It's cold, but it looks a mess. I just took out my braids. I did my own braids. I've been learning how to do my own hairstyles this quarantine, as I'm sure a lot of you have. But basically, today I want you guys to critique my hair routine. Give me some tips. Drag me. Let me know, because I think I know the hair community is strong, and I know you guys got some hella tips up your sleeve that I would love to have. So, I recently did trim off my hair. I trim it off every time I take out my hair, but we're not going to trim it for a while now. But I've recently trimmed off my hair, trimmed off all the dead, relaxed pieces, and I haven't relaxed my hair in years, but I finally let go of that hair, even though it was really hard. And I'm low-key regretting it because I missed those little dead ends, but they have to go. And today I'm just going to be doing my hair routine. I'm so excited. I've been putting it off. I took out my braids yesterday, and I was gonna wash them yesterday, and I ended up didn't. So here I am today washing them. I've been putting off because y'all know hair day is a whole dang day. It's a dang mission. First of all, I know I'm probably gonna get dragged for the shampoo I'm about to use in my hair, but I just grabbed something regular schmegular just to wash off my hair and just basically to cleanse my hair. I'm not too picky with shampoos, even though we have a lot of great shampoos downstairs in my mama's room, but this is the one I bought that I've been using, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna drag me for that, but that's okay. That's what this video is about, right? Awesome. Okay, I know my shirt is backwards if you guys ask. The hair is wet and shrunk. Literally, it looks like my hair doesn't exist, which is funny. I just finished showering. It really was just a shampoo rinse. Like, I shampooed my hair 2 times, and then I rinsed it, and then now I'm going to be using this concoction. I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair. I have not deep conditioned my hair in a long time, and I want to start making it a thing because my hair needs moisture. Hello, 4C hair needs moisture. So I'm going to be parting my hair and using just a water bottle, and I'm going to be putting this section by section. I made a lot, but I'm really proud of this concoction. I put like honey, mayo, egg, and a bunch of oils, and an essential oil. My favorite essential oil in the world is peppermint oil. It stimulates hair growth, and I use it for my headaches. So we're gonna start sectioning and putting it all over my hair. Let's go. The only thing is it's not as thick as I would have liked. I know y'all know everything about high porosity and low porosity hair. I don't know much, but what I can tell you about my hair is that the front portion of my hair, this front side of my, like the front of my hair holds on to this conditioner better. What I mean by that is I put it on and it just gets on it better. This one, I feel like the back of my hair, I feel like I had to keep putting more coats because it felt like it was just sitting on top of my hair. I'm sure y'all know what I mean. So let me know, am I low porosity or high porosity hair? I'm going to look it up, but y'all are supposed to critique my hair. Anyway, I don't think I've ever deep conditioned my hair, or maybe once in my life. So I am loving the heck out of this stuff. We are coated. This is how you coat a, I do get scissor happy, y'all. And I do want to cut some hairs back here, that are kind of not being very, but I'm also being dramatic. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this mask on for about 30 to 40 minutes, maybe an hour, I don't know. I'm gonna start looking online, see how long is good, but we're gonna make sure we insulate the heat and we put a bag on top. All right, this is my next state for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, see y'all when we're done. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. I'm gonna jump into the shower because this is leaking like crazy. So let's wash this off. I just got out of the shower and we're going to be taking this hair out. It's still, oh my gosh, it feels so good. So I'm supposed to be like deep conditioning every week or 2 weeks. So I think I'm gonna actually buy a leave-in conditioner. If you guys have any good ones, let me know. My hair shrunk to the core, literally look bald. My hair is not this small, y'all. Like it's not this small. But now we're gonna do the LOC method, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. So the leave-in conditioner I'm using right now is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This is the leave-in conditioner I'm using right now. My sister's hairstylist recommended it, so I'm just gonna be coating my entire hair with it. So yeah, let's add some spritz of water because my hair feels a little too dry. But we're gonna coat the entire hair with this. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner is all over the hair. My hair feels so soft, you guys. Oh my goodness, my hair is in love right now. So I'm gonna be using some of this. It's the oil portion. I have this oil, and with this oil I usually add a bunch of my own concoction in there. I add some peppermint oil, I add some castor oil and mix it up. Honestly, I love the way peppermint oil feels on my hair. This is the oil I'm going to be using all over my scalp. What I'm first going to be doing is, I just want to use this because I really like the smell of this. I'm going to be using this Organics 100% natural hair and scalp conditioner, Super Sure Grow, made with shea butter, and I'm really just going to be putting this on the outside of my hair. I don't know why this means nothing. I really don't need to be doing this. But what I usually would do is I section my hair piece by piece and put it on my scalp, but since I can't do that right now because we're going to be using this oil today, I'm just going to be using it on the outside of my, what's it called? It's weird, I know, but your edges and stuff need some protection too. Okay guys, my hair is like, it's like tingling because of the peppermint oil, and that's my favorite feeling. I am gonna put my hair in twists, I think little braids, so that it's easy to comb. But the last step after oil, although the whole hair isn't full of oil, so we're gonna fill it up with oil. I have a little bit left of this. I usually store it in this container, but there is a little bit left at the bottom. I did want to cut the back of my hair, but I need to stay away from the scissors. The obsession is getting really bad. My mom is not having it. Anyone else's mom is like attached to their hair. My mom is attached to my hair on like a whole other field, y'all. So we're gonna end it with some cream, and this is the cream of choice that I'm going to be using. And I'm really just gonna be putting this all over my hair. I'm not really gonna section, I'm just gonna be putting it everywhere. Now that I look look like Cynthia, we're done. So what I did was I braided it up and I used some African shea butter. I love this. I always just use it on the ends of my hair to lock in all the moisture and put into my hair. And my hair, guys, that mask, was phenomenal. I didn't think that my hair was gonna be this soft. I'm so excited to see it tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put it in my bonnet and that's it. What do you guys think of my routine? What do you guys think of my products? What products do you recommend? I know I'm wearing this again, but I really I just picked up the shirt in my, I was gonna do the other shirt, but it was covered with egg yolks and stuff. So anyway, I am so proud of this mask. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is such a good mask. My hair has never felt so like just nourished. Like my hair has never felt so like good. Oh my gosh, and I'm so happy for this hair care journey and to start actually being nice to my hair because I'm a little mean. And then from there, I usually every other day usually. So tomorrow I might do it and then start from there, but every other day I just oil my scalp section by section, like literally section by section. My mom used to always do that to my hair when I was younger, so with Blue Magic, but I'm gonna use this one. If you guys heard of this, like let me know, but I'm going to be using, I think, this for now. Section by section, I'm going to be oiling my scalp and then I'm always gonna close it up. I use water, section my hair with that, and then I always close it up with, I seal it with shea butter in the ends because you gotta protect your ends. But that is my hair. It was such a breeze today. That mask literally did wonders and I wasn't expecting it to do that well. So holla if you guys want like a DIY on the hair mask, let me know. And I'm gonna start probably masking my hair every week or two. Because if your hair is damaged, you need to start deep conditioning it, definitely. And I can just deep condition without washing my hair. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have not seen it done before and I'd love to know your advice and your tips and tricks. How often do you hear that clicking? It's my chair. How often do you trim your hair, or if you trim it at all? I think I'm done trimming my hair. I've done it too much. And it's time to just let my hair flourish, and I'm so excited. So I have a lot of this left and I'm gonna be using this. My cousin said this helped her hair grow, but we have very different hair, but I'm gonna be using that I don't have much left, honestly. So I'm gonna be using that probably every 2 weeks when I deep condition my hair. But yeah, I need to start taking my hair more, especially in braids. Like I need to stop neglecting it. Sorry, hair. Before this ends as well, I do want to ask, do you guys put any type of anything in your water? Like, you know how you just spritz your hair with water? Do you guys put anything in there? I'm thinking of putting coconut water in there, or coconut oil in there. Even though oil and water don't really mix well, but I'm thinking of putting that in there. Anyway, let me know if you guys put anything in your water. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble and always remember, self-love is best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.